Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Copycats.
Poor cow,
Said Indi.
I'm sorry you're feeling sad today.
What's he sad about? Asked Tex.
The leaves.
Said Indi.
They're dropping off the trees. That means fall is coming.
Why is that sad? Asked Tex.
Because fall means the end of summer. Cow loves summertime,
Said Indi.
Wait, don't worry, cow,
Said Tex.
I have an idea.
Tex got a roll of tape. Then he gathered up a pile of leaves.
Tex?
Said Indi.
What are you doing?
I'm sticking the leaves back on the branches so Cow will be happy, said Tex.
Thank you, Tex,
said Indi.
That is very thoughtful of you.
Just then the wind sent a leaf swirling through the air. Cow chased after it. I think Cow likes fall after all, said Tex.
And that looks like fun,
said Indi.
Let's copy what Cow's doing.
Cool, Tex said. Then we can be copycats.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.